Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'll be talking about pregnancy pet peeves. Yes. Anyways, so yeah, there are some things that when you're pregnant is just that persons do that's just so annoying and whatever. So these are just some of mine. Yours might be different or you might not have the same opinion that I do, but yeah, some of these. So I have 4 of them. Alright, so starting from number 4, and that is breastfeeding. So when you're pregnant, people tend to be, are you planning to breastfeed? Are you going to bottle feed? How long are you going to breastfeed for? You should breastfeed for this long, you should not breastfeed for this long, and blah blah blah. And when everybody is throwing their opinions at you and all of that, it can be a little overwhelming and it can get annoying. But regardless of what everybody is saying, you should choose the feeding method that is best for you. You might not have the time to breastfeed, you might not want to breastfeed, and that's okay. If you want to breastfeed, that's okay. It's your choice whether or not you want to breastfeed or not. If you want to bottle feed, it don't matter. Whatever you want to do, whatever is best for you and the child, that's what you should do. So don't make everybody opinion on how you should breastfeed, how long you should breastfeed, if you should breastfeed, and all of that. Get it on, you know. So yeah. So number 3. So number 3 would be commenting on weight. When you're pregnant, yes, you put on weight. You know that you put on weight. You don't need everybody else around you telling you that. Oh Jesus, look how you're fat. Or look how your nose big. Jesus Christ, look how your nose big. Like, yeah, my nose fat now. My face chubby. I'm putting on a little weight. And my complexion darker. Yeah, I know all of that. You don't need to tell me. You know, I know. Like, in my family, we run jokes about them stuff there. So if it's from a family member or whatever, then it's okay, because that's how my family, that's how we trouble each other or whatever. But when I just see a random person on the road or somebody that you're not close with or whatever, and they make comments on your weight or how you look or whatever, it kind of frustrates and annoying and it kind of upsets you. So be careful how you comment on a pregnant person's weight and all of that, because it might be offensive. So okay, number two, and that would be the belly rub. You know, people always feel like, oh Jesus, she's pregnant, I'm gonna rub her belly. Like, no sis, don't do that. Like, if it's my family or friends, then I don't mind it. But if we even walking on the street and some random person says, hi, like, no. And then when I was pregnant, in the last stages, I had hernia in my navel area. So it was super tender and everything. So if you touch it, Jesus, it hurt. And then people just feel like they're supposed to come and rub your belly or poke you, and it's hey, which part the baby there? Over here, so right down here, so no, just don't go rubbing people's belly unless you ask them. Say, oh, I can touch your belly, and they say, oh yeah, you know, you can touch it or whatever. I don't mind. Some persons don't mind, some people mind it. So whereas if it's not your family or your friends, don't go rubbing up people's belly, because you know you don't really know what that person is feeling. For example, with me and the hernia, like, yeah, you touch it and it hurt me, so just don't do it. So yeah, the number 1 pet peeve that I have was name choices. So like criticizing the name choice that you choose for your child. Like, this was a major thing for me. Like, Jason had chosen a name for Amari, but then everybody never liked the name, and it was just so frustrating. I was like, oh Jesus Christ! It was like, no, you can't call the baby that, because I'm gonna call him this, and then I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna that, and it was really frustrating for me. So I didn't have a name for Amari until he was like born. Like, yeah, I decided that alright, this make the name him, whatever. Screw everybody else. So the name that Jason had initially wanted to call him, we ended up not using that because everybody there criticized the name and blah 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 blah, and it was just it was just such a frustrating time. Trust me, it was a frustrating time for me and whatever. Yeah, mommy and Casey, don't say anything, don't comment, don't do it. Yeah, but anyways, yeah, those are some of the pregnancy pet peeves that I had. So if you had any, you can let me know down in the comments what were your pregnancy pet peeves and all of that, and just yay. So once again, thank you so much for always watching my videos. Thank you for supporting me, and until next time, bye. But also, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below of what you think about this video. Until next time, bye.